Hello lovely people, you're welcome back to today's episode. My name is erickadjanor, and if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Let's get right into today's video.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
So I was awarded for a contest I didn't prepare for. Earlier this month, December 2022, I attended an event called the Creator Meetup. Creator Meetup is an event where creatives come together to have fun, to learn, to network, and to create.
Once you're here, talk to people, find out who they are, follow people on Instagram, like their pictures, anything you want to do. Thank you very much. Welcome to the Creator Meetup and have fun.
Got to find out about the program a day before while I was watching stories on IG, and I came across it, and there were still slots open for people who wanted to join, so I gave it a shot. I got there quite early. When I got there weren't a lot of people there, so I took the chance to film a few scenes for you guys. So while we were waiting for the others to come, the organizer of the program, One Menzi, yes, he's a mobile filmmaker here in Ghana, a YouTuber and a creator. He was like, there's a category open for people who want to shoot behind the scenes for the event. Why not? Let me just give it a shot, yeah? Because yes, I wanted to shoot content for you guys on YouTube. I took it upon myself to film as much as I can, move around as much as I can, and then tell the story as it unravels. I was seeing equipment. Yes, I've been seeing on YouTube that I haven't seen in real life before. I saw people holding the Sony A7 III, A7 IV, the newly released FX30, Canon R5, R6. I was really blown away because I'm using a 60D, which I am grateful for. But here's the case: I've seen cameras that I usually would see on YouTube right now in real life. Tell me if that isn't crazy. I don't think some of you would understand because you don't have like passion for camera and video and photography and stuff. So yes, I understand. But me, oh my god. Seeing these gears in real life or with people who are in the industry like myself give me hope that if I keep pushing, if I keep working hard, I'll eventually will be able to buy those stuff for myself. I hope it makes sense. We were told submission would end after 48 hours, but I didn't pay attention to that because your boy was just going around filming. The next day, Sunday, a friend of mine, Edinedi, I helped him shoot some of his content for a category that was opened at the event, and the guy has already edited and posted his video. That was fast. Like, what's going on?
The Xiaomi 12 is made for every user. For those who love to capture every scene. For the serial selfie takers.
The voiceover, I least expected it because I thought, oh, he's just going to record and then overlay music on it. I tried to edit as fast as I can to meet the deadline. Yes, so I was able to edit the video the same day and submit it the same Monday. Yes, and I got amazing comments I wasn't really expecting, but you know, like I didn't plan for it, and how the video even turned out was amazing. Like, it wasn't me, it's God. I give credit to God because He helped me. Honestly, I couldn't have done it like by my own self. So within that same week, I saw people posting their videos. I mean, like, you had to post a video with hashtag and mention a few people here, and the words I was seeing was, hi God, people are working. Like, people are putting in the work. What means if you're watching this, please organize the same program again next time for us. Lovely. It was just a lovely program. So mind you, I've posted my video and then I just left everything to God and to the people. So after 3 weeks, I received a notification from Instagram that my video has been curated the most detailed BTS. So I've won for that category. I was so full of joy. I was just jumping around. I couldn't help myself. I reposted it on WhatsApp and on my story on IG. Yes, so thank you guys. Thank you guys. I won. This is a promate camera bag, a quick release camera strap, and then a backdrop. But I haven't gone for the backdrop yet. This is the camera bag. I'm really grateful for this because initially I used to use a food bag as my camera bag. This is a food bag. Yeah, this is what I used to use as my camera bag. But by the grace of God, I have this now as my camera bag. Thank you for your support. Thank you. And this is to say that anything you put your mind to and you put in the work, back with God, will work for you. Yes, I least expected this, and here I am, excited about it. Yeah, so please, whatever field you find yourself in, whatever expertise you are working at or you are learning at or you are learning for, please try as much as possible to give it your best shot. Be hardworking and then trust God more. And yes, who knows, maybe you win a ticket to US or something. Yeah. So I want to thank you guys for the support you give me on this channel and privately. Yes, thank you so much. Please like and comment. I'd like to hear from you all, and share this video to inspire other people that they can as well do it as I have. Thank you. Peace out. Bye bye.